Hey guys, welcome to Guide Mint YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you how to disable and enable Google Chrome automatic update in Windows operating system. It can be Windows 7, Windows 8 or even in Windows 10. Right now I am using Windows 10. This method will work in all of them. So it doesn't matter that you are using Windows 7 or Windows 8. You have to follow the same method or the same procedure to disable and enable the automatic update of Google Chrome. So without further delay, let's see how we can do it. First, open your Google Chrome and click on this three dot and go to help, and then click on about Google Chrome. Now as you can see, it's checking for update, and this is the updated version of Google Chrome. So we have to disable it. So I'm going to show you the three methods one by one. So let's see one by one. So first method is that just go to the your C drive, open it, and just go to the program files and just double click on it, and then go to the Google, and here you have to go to the update folder, and now here is your update file. So what you can do is that you can rename this file to disable the automatic update. Let's see how we can do it. First right click on it and just rename it and give the name update 1 and enter, and just let me set, and then just go to the help and Google Chrome page. Now as you can see, it's checking for update. Now let's see it's working or not, our automatic update is disabled or not. It's checking for update. Now as you can see, the update is failed. So this is the this was the first method to disable the automatic update. Now let's go to the normal mode. Just enable the Google Chrome update, right click the Google update and rename it as it was before, Google update, and hit enter. Now let's see our Google Chrome. Now as you can see, the update is working, automatic update is working. Now let's see the second method. Second method you have to do, just close the this second method. You have to open your run command, just press the Windows key and your R button, Windows key plus R, and you will get the run, and here you have to type services.msc, services.msc, and hit enter. And now just scroll down and find the Google Chrome update service, and you get the GU update. Just as you can see, the automatic delay start and the manual. So you have to disable it. So first click on it and then double click on it, and here you will get the startup type, and you have to change it to the disable. Just disable it and apply it, and okay. Now the second is manual, so we have to disable it. Okay. Now let's see our this method is working or not. Now as you can see, the pop-up is pop-up has come, just say no. As you can see, this method is also working. Whenever you come to this about page, and you will get the pop-up, it will ask you to update or not. So you can do, if you wanted to do automatic update, then you can say yes. If you don't want to automatic update, then you can say no. That's it. So this was the second method. Now the third method is that just now let's go back to the normal mode, services.msc. just hit enter and go to the Google Chrome, and here we have to set the automatic, sorry, this was the automatic delay, and apply it and OK. And it was manual, so we have to set it as it was before. Now let's check out about Google Chrome, and it's checking for update. Now it came in normal mode, it is in automatic update mode. Now let's see the third method. So third method is just do the same with Windows plus R, and you will get the run prompt, and here you have to type msconfig and hit enter, msconfig, and just hit enter or click on OK button. And here you have to go to the services, and then just scroll down and find Google, or you can click on it and type GOO, and you will get the direct this Google Update services in here, right here. Just uncheck it. As you can see, this is checked. So what we have to do is uncheck it. So just click on it and then click on it. As you can see, there is two file Google Update services and the Google Update services. One was GoUpdate and second was gupdate. What is that? Gupdatem. So we have to uncheck two files here, and just apply it and OK. So it will ask you to restart. You can restart, but I'm not going to restart it, and I'm going to show you right now. So I will click on exit without restart, and let's see help and go to the about Google Chrome page. Now let's see it is working or not. Checking for update. As you can see, the pop-up already came here, so I will say no. Whenever you go to the about Google Chrome page, pop-up will appear and it will ask you to update or not. So you can, if you wanted to update, you can say yes. If you don't want, then you can simply say no. So this is how you can enable or disable the Google Chrome automatic update. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do like, and I will see you guys in next video. Thanks for watching this video.